Those of you with good memories will recall that Shill Stompers was previously known as Robert Fink, and that he uploaded videos where he argued, for example, that satellites are fake. This was before his channel got taken down by YouTube and he ended up in court, where he got fined a substantial amount of money for stalking and harassment.
So let's start opening up some of these photos, shall we? So let's open up one of these guys.
Bloody hell. That's very different.
Yeah, if you notice, the roadway is blue.
Yes, it is.
On all of the shots. And what we were discussing is the fact that the red layer of the
Come on, you guys, if you're disputing what we're saying, answer that question as a start and do your own test to prove that we're wrong. We're not wrong. Your criticism of us is wrong because you're desperate to support the Apollo narrative, which is now falling apart. Well, it has fallen apart.
So let's start opening up some of these photos, shall we? So let's open up one of these guys.
Bloody hell. That's very different.
yeah, if you notice, the roadway is blue.
Yes, it is.
On all of the shots. And what we were discussing is the fact that the red layer of the
Look at the fogging too over here.
yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
you can see that in the bitmaps. Everything just shows up in that. I think the red layer was highly affected.
This is the same thing that happened with the other ones. Remember, the blue was all over the map.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Yeah.
What level of vacuum was being used there?
That was -6. That's the one that was in Bill's chamber.
Yeah, but for only 4 hours.
Okay.
You see, he should have left it in there for at least 72.
So there's the third one on this one.
They're very different, aren't they? Very different.
See, there's blue again, right? Now look at, see there, the rocks are blue. This is blue. Oh, by the way, this is what do you call it? Fogged the hill here a little bit.
Yeah. Was it the same exposure you were using there?
Everything.
Everything the same. Okay.
Yeah. And these two went in the tank together as the same, right? They were all developed together.
Interesting. Very interesting. Because the exposure on the right-hand picture, it looks like it's slightly overexposed.
I have a light meter. I kept it right in the circle on all of these.
Okay.
Don't forget, though, I'm shooting the opposite direction.
You've got another one where you're shooting the same direction.
Yeah, so let's take one I'm shooting in on the same direction. That's exactly what I predicted would happen.
Yeah. Yeah. What was the level of vacuum on that? 10 to the -4.
6, but for only 4 hours.
Okay.
Like the red's gone here.
Yeah, it certainly affected it very badly, which you can see very clearly from those pictures. The very least you could say is the film is seriously damaged.
Okay, what about this? This will be interesting. How about let's take a look at this shrub here?
Shit.
Yeah, that's almost the identical spot that you shot it at, right?
I mean, that's probably as good a demonstration as you need, because that then shows how different the left-hand picture is, because that's almost underexposed.
Yeah.
And it's showing some strange colors.
There's both. Okay, these are the Ektachrome 100, right? They went in the tank at the same time. They came out at the same time. They got hung up to dry at the same time.
Just imagine how good the picture would be if they were using the special film we're told they had, which they didn't. I think you proved your case there.